Did you know the gas you use in your kitchen could be either stored in a cylinder or supplied directly through pipelines? Let's quickly understand the difference between LPG and PNG. LPG stands for Liquefied Petroleum Gas. It is mainly a mixture of propane and butane gases, stored in liquid form inside cylinders under pressure. When released, it turns into gas and is commonly used in homes, restaurants and industries. PNG stands for Piped Natural Gas. It is primarily methane gas, supplied directly to homes through underground pipelines, just like water supply. There is no need for storage cylinders. Storage and supply. LPG is stored in cylinders. PNG is supplied via pipelines. Safety. LPG is heavier than air and can settle on the ground if leaked. PNG is lighter than air and disperses quickly, making it generally safer. Cost efficiency. PNG is often cheaper in the long run, due to direct supply and no delivery charges. LPG involves cylinder booking, delivery, and refilling costs. Convenience. LPG requires monitoring cylinder levels and replacements. PNG offers continuous supply, no interruptions. PNG is more convenient and safer for urban households with pipeline access. However, LPG is still essential in areas where pipeline infrastructure is not available. So, LPG or PNG, which one do you use? Understanding the difference helps you make smarter and safer energy choices. This video is created for educational and knowledge purposes only. Information is simplified and may vary based on location and latest regulations. Please verify with official sources.